So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to deposit money into your account here on Questrade. So once you have Questrade open up, simply if you're on the main screen here, just scroll down a little bit to where it says Move Money. It's pretty straightforward. Press on that. Now once you're on the Move Money screen, you can go ahead and press on Deposit right here at the top. Now once you're here, you can select the amount. So in this case, this will be going to the cash account right here. But you can go ahead and select the money that you're looking for and then press on next. Now once you're here, you can go ahead and deposit this and press on confirm and continue and go through all the steps that way. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to deposit money into your cash account or into your account here on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.